Oh, I work as a guide and make excursion in Kiev. I was 15 years old and take study, and in 6 months I make excursion for another children for another school from whole Soviet Union. It was many years ago. I make good money. I was very happy. Buy for first money, big cake for my family and skateboard for myself. It's very important in life. Believe in yourself, trust yourself, and know what you have to doing. And very important to have a dream, and also very important to doing everything to work to make your dream true. And what matter, sometimes the people don't believe you, but if you believe yourself, you make your dream true.